As you can see, it's pretty nasty out here, and it's going to get a whole lot nastier. There's a deep freeze on the way, which is a good reason to put snow tires on your car if you haven't already. But you know, the gap between all-season tires and winter tires really seems to be closing. Several leading tire companies like Hankook, Toyo, Nokian, and Goodyear have new all-weather tires on the market. It's a whole new category of tire. These are not to be confused with all-season tires. These new all-weather tires are designed to perform in variable conditions, and the traction they offer in snow and on ice rivals the traction offered by some snow tires. The secret is in the rubber and tread design. All-season tires get harder in cold weather and traction is reduced. Snow tires are designed to stay soft in the cold. The tread design is a little different too. Look closely and you will see tiny slots on the surface of a snow tire. That's what helps you grip on ice. However, snow tires wear faster in warm weather, and they can be noisier than an all-season tire on bare pavement. New all-weather tires like the Goodyear Weather Ready Assurance use new rubber compounds to stay softer in the cold, while still delivering good handling, performance, and durability even during summer when pavement gets hot. Snow tire designs are a lot better too. Old knobby tires that we've come to know from years gone by are being replaced by newly engineered tires that are much quieter on pavement. Manufacturers say new all-weather tires are still not a replacement for good snow tires, but they're pretty darn close. And depending on your needs, they may be more than adequate, saving you the time, inconvenience, and expense of changing over from winter tires to summer tires every 6 months. When shopping for new all-weather tires, look for the 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol. That symbol means the tire is certified by the Rubber Manufacturers Association to perform well in snow and year-round, and it's important where snow tires are required by law. You should check your local regulations before investing in new tires. Many insurance companies also offer discounts if you use snow tires in the winter, so you should consult with your insurance agent as well to make sure your tires comply with their discount requirements. Rick Walker, SST Car Show News.